I am really happy to welcome Christina Lewis, Saving Lives on the Go. Christina, how you doing?
I'm doing great, Gene. How you doing?
I'm doing good, thanks.
I want to thank you, first of all, for having me on the show today. It's such a pleasure to come out here to tell my story.
I am thrilled to have you on here. So we'll get into Saving Lives on the Go in a minute. That's kind of an interesting name. But tell us about Christina. You're not, as they say, around here.
I'm not from around here. I'm actually from Gary, Indiana. Small town back northwest. I started out doing CPR and first aid with my cousin, actually, with Lifesavers Training Center. Of course, yes, I have to give him a plug, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be teaching CPR today. Would have never thought about it. I actually have my degree in dietitian and restaurant hotel institutional tourism management from Purdue University.
Now, full disclosure, folks, Christina is a good friend of mine and a friend of the community. So now, most people, Christina, look at running a private business as scary, even terrifying. What drove you to start a business?
Well, when I moved here to Arizona 5 years ago, I was working with a home care agency, and I stayed there for like 2 years. But after I found out that, there was no pay raise, there was no life insurance or health insurance, no pay time off or anything, and they were like, oh, you'll never, ever get a raise. So that clicked, like, why am I here? Why am I doing this? So I decided, you're trained, Christina. Either, you stick here, you stay here and you just support them, or you go out and step out on a limb and do what you have to do and follow your heart. So I started Saving Lives on the Go Training Center.
Well, that's a pretty strong motivation, but entrepreneurship has its challenges, right?
Oh, yes, it does. When I first started, I stepped out there on faith. I gave my notice and everything. And I signed the lease to my new suite, which was actually coincidental, the next building over from where I was doing the home care agency. And I even trained some of her staff. But when I got to my desk and I looked, I said, what am I doing? Am I going to make it through this? I really haven't done this before, but with a lot of prayer, I made it through.
Well, if I remember correctly, when you say you were managing another agency, that doesn't quite cover everything you were doing, right?
Well, with the managing there, I was not only a manager, I was also human resource. So I pretty much did it all. I did the billing, I did the management of the caregivers, I did the payroll. When I say I did just about everything, I covered it all. So it set me up for owning my own.
All right. And that's always an important thing. Now, of course, the road's always bumpy. You have to learn a lot about being an entrepreneur, I'm sure.
That's true.
Most people end up having to use some of their savings when they start a business. Is that truly the case?
Yes, I used some of my savings, but not all of it. I was truly blessed because when I first started, I actually went to an online site for selling things, and I went to go buy a shredder. And when I got there, the young lady was talking to me, and she was like, well, such and such, her husband passed away, and she don't know what to do with the stuff. So I just held conversation with her, and I was already within prayer at that time. So she was like, you know what, if you can come back Saturday, I'll just give you everything. So I was like, are you serious? She's like, yes, just come back, come with a U-Haul, and you can take everything in our office. No charge whatsoever, we're going to donate it to you. Yes. So I had the desk, the computers, the file cabinets, I had everything to start a business.
And that's because you had told her what Saving Lives on the Go was going to do, right?
Yes.
So what inspired you actually to start Saving Lives on the Go?
Back home in Indiana, I was caring for my aunt, and which is my dad's sister, and she was elderly, and I was the one stuck there to take care of her. So if anything ever happened to her, that would have been devastating to me. So I had to learn how to teach CPR, how to take care of her if something happened to her. So I had to cover my steps. I didn't want her to pass away on my time because I failed to know how to save a life.
Oh, okay, and that's important because heart attacks kill.
Yes, they do.
CPR saves lives. And so what you do with Saving Lives on the Go now, you actually provide on-location CPR training that results in getting a CPR certification. Is that right?
Correct. You will walk away with a 2-year certification. Not only do you get CPR, you get first aid as well as AED. So I cannot tell you the resuscitations and how many breaths you need to come to my class to learn that.
Yeah, and how to do them properly too.
Correct.
So that's why CPR is so important, because it can save a life. And, you know, if any of you out there, if you've ever witnessed a heart attack and you didn't know what to do, you'll never forget feeling that. And if it was fatal, it's going to haunt you. Now, Christina, do you teach all ages?
Yes, I teach all ages. I do anywhere between 8 years old because I need you to retain it. It wouldn't be really beneficial to teach a 3-year-old. But although if that's what you want me to do, I will show your 3-year-old the basic steps to at least know how to pick up the phone and dial 911. If they can sit there and play on the phone today, they can definitely dial 911 at least.
Yeah, and say, Mommy's sick.
Correct.
Something like that. That's actually pretty good. For you to train as low as 8 years old is remarkable anyway.
Yes.
But if you'll go as far as 3, because they want to try to learn it, and they'll remember some of it. So, Christina, I'm sure people are wondering, when is the next class? And how do you sign up?
Well, you can easily sign up by going to my website, which is www.savinglivesonthego.com, and the phone number is 480-707-7916. And my next class, I actually do not set up classes because I work around you. Because if I set a class for tomorrow, what if you're not off tomorrow? What if you're on the schedule? So I'm working for you.
That's great. Now, they can also find you on Facebook, right?
You can find me on Facebook, you can find me on Google Plus, and you can find me on Twitter.
Excellent. Is there anything else that you'd like to tell folks?
Well, if you're listening today, you can easily go to the social media or go to my website. My phone number, again, is 480-707-7916, and I'll give you $5 off. So that's you can't beat that.
What kind of specials, if anything, does Saving Lives on the Go have, besides saving lives on the go?
That's true. I usually offer $5 off or 10% off. It depends. If you have more than 10 individuals in the class, I will make that person free, or I will make it significantly lower. Like, say if I charge $40 per person and it's more than 10 people, I'll charge you $25. You can't go wrong.
That's great. That's great. I just wanted to make sure that people knew how to get a hold of you.
Yes, and that's 480-707-7916, www.savinglivesonthego.com.
And on Facebook, and on Google Plus,
And Twitter.
And on Twitter.
Yes.
Excellent, Christina.
Thank you so much for having me.